To generate marketing copy using source materials in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once inside, create a new notebook or open an existing one that contains your relevant source materials such as product documents, brand guidelines, research notes, or PDFs. Next, click Add Sources and upload all materials that describe the product, service, or concept you want to promote. NotebookLM uses these sources as the foundation for generating accurate and context-aware content, so the quality of your inputs directly affect the quality of your marketing copy. After uploading your sources, wait for NotebookLM to process and index them. Once ready, open the chat panel inside the notebook. This is where you will generate your marketing content using natural language prompts. To begin, enter a clear instruction such as write marketing copy based on these sources, or create a product description using the uploaded documents. You can also be more specific by defining the output type, such as an ad script, landing page copy, email campaign, or social media caption. For better results, always include additional instructions such as tone and style. For example, you can request a professional tone, a persuasive marketing tone, or a more casual and engaging voice depending on your audience. You can also ask NotebookLM to generate multiple variations of the same copy. For example, request 3 or 5 different versions so you can compare messaging styles and choose the most effective one. After generating the copy, you can refine it further by asking follow-up questions such as making it shorter, more emotional, more technical, or more conversion-focused. Once you are satisfied with the result, save the best versions into your notes for future use in campaigns, presentations, or content planning. And that's how you generate marketing copy using source materials in NotebookLM. Upload your documents, guide the AI with clear prompts, refine tone and format, and produce targeted marketing content directly from your sources.